Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way friends, okay? And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I'll spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get the notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I have covered the topic called Udiana Bandh, this topic, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I am going to cover the topic called Noli Kriya, this topic. Friend, this is 77th number video and the name of the topic is Noli Kriya, okay? So let us see what Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? Udiana Bandha can be done in a sitting posture also, but Noli generally is done while standing. So yes, Swami Sivananda ji is telling to us that Udiana Bandh is can be done in sitting posture also, but Noli Kriya, which is the thing which is generally done while standing, friends. Okay, keep the right leg a foot apart from the left and the rest hands on thigh. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling to us that we should keep leg right leg foot apart at the left and we should rest the hands on our thigh friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, thus making a slight curve from the back. So we have to make the slight curve from the back, then do Udiana Bandh. So after doing this, we have to do Udiana Bandh, friends. Okay. So this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. Now allow the center of the abdomen free. So now we have to allow the center of our abdomen so that it can be free, friends. Okay. By contracting the left and the right side of the abdomen. By contacting the left and the right side of the abdomen, friends. Okay, you will have all the muscle in the center in the vertical line. So yes, Swami Svananda is telling that we are going to have all the muscle in the center in the vertical line. Keep it so long as you can do it comfortably. So yes, Swami Svananda is telling that we have to keep this so long that we can do this comfortably. Okay, do this much only for a few days. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling that we have to do this much only for the few days. Okay, after some practice you should contract the right side of the abdomen and allow the left side free. So Swami Sivananda is telling after the few practice what we can do is we can allow the right side abdomen so that it could allow the left side free. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, you will have all the muscle on the left side again. So yes, Swami Svananda is telling that you are going to have all the muscle on the left side again. Again contract the left side and allow the right side free. So yes, Swami Svananda is telling that again we have to contract the left side and we have to allow the right side free. Okay. By having such gradual practice, you will understand how to contract the muscle of the center. So Swami Svananda is telling by doing having this gradual practice, we will come to know how to contract the uh, muscle of the center, friends. Okay, central, left, right side of the abdomen. So Swami Sivananda is telling by doing this we will learn how to contract the muscles of the left side, right side and the center side of our abdomen, friends. Okay, now come in the final stage of Noli Kriya. So Swami Sivananda is telling that now this is going to be the final stage of the Noli Kriya. Keep the muscle in the center, slowly bring to the right side and then left side in a curricular way. So Swami Svananda is telling, so after doing this you will understand what is Noli Kriya. So after that you can bring your muscle from left side to right side and from right side to left side in the circular way. So this Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic. Do this several times from the right to left and then do it in reverse order. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we should do it several times from right to left, then we can do it from the reverse order, okay, from the left to right. So after that we can do it in the reverse order from left to right. You should always turn the muscle with a curricular motion slowly. So we should always turn this muscle with the curricular motion slowly, friends. Okay, so this Swami Svandaji is telling to us in this topic. You cannot derive the full benefit of the kriya when you do not do it slowly and gradually. So yes, Swami Svandaji is telling that we cannot derive the full benefit of this kriya up to the moment we do it slowly and gradually, okay. Beginner will feel a slight pain in the abdomen in the first 2 or 3 attempts. So yes, Swami Swananda is telling that those who are beginner, they are going to feel a slight pain in the first 2 or 3 attempts. Then attempt, they need not fear. So Swami Swananda is telling that there is no need to fear. The pain will vanish after 2-3 days of regular practice. So Swami Swananda is telling this pain is going to vanish after 2-3 days of regular practice, okay. So friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's video I have covered the topic called Noli Kriya, and friends, in our next video I am going to cover the topic called Mahamudra, okay. So friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends, okay. And I will be meeting you in the next video.